right now we're like stress testing this indexer prototype, seeing if it jams, what gets trapped where. Just gonna kind of throw everything into it and see what happens.
If you can get over there by...
Here, do you want to switch?
Yeah. Okay.
So,
wait, are we? We're checking.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
just...
Is that one live stream?
Yeah.
So.
That's all that's happening.
Alright. So, whenever you're ready.
Come on. Here we go.
So.
Great.
Wait, question. Can we test stationary?
Can we put them all in and then turn it on?
Because I imagine that may be more like
That's
the
a more
scenario you see,
realistic.
Yeah.
We need a back to this hopper.
Here's the...
I can be the back to the hopper. Okay.
Yeah. One thing to consider is the fact that we don't have the mechanical wheels right now.
Oh yeah, there's no passive center.
Yeah, there's no passive centering, so it's all just like
Vibes.
see what happens.
Where are we gonna get mechanical wheels?
You can print them.
Yeah.
We also just kind of may not have them, so that idea may not work.
Yeah.
It would be sad though. I love mechanical wheels.
Yeah. It's unfortunate, but it may just be a thing we don't have. Okay.
So, see how this? Is it? Oh, there it is.
There's some dead zones in this hopper. Yeah, not bad.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah. That and that didn't even have mechanical wheels on it.
Yeah. Wait. I wonder if like
We could make these sloped, like
hold
actually.
on. Wait. Can we try it like this?
Like that, yeah. I can try to hold it while we do that.
I can hold this here. You focus on that.
I can get this one. You can that one. You.
I can do this.
Do we have? Is this all the balls we have?
Okay.
Ready? Good.
Do you want to try it with more wheels? Because I think what's happening is that it's not hitting. It needs to hit the top of the ball. You know what I'm saying? The widest part of the ball.
But I think we
You can steal them.
Wait, also you can
We can
just
space
spread
it
them.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I borrow the wheels then?
Yeah, go.
Yes.
We may want to try with this.
Wait, the
hopper
wheels
floor.
or not wheels?
The hopper floor.